Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to convert text to PPT, that is presentation, in 2025. This is new AI. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I just open Chrome browser and I just search in ChatGPT some kind of human psychology prepare 5 slides. So these are my text overshares as you see here. Now I would like to introduce a new AI. So this is the ChatGPT. So whatever you type, automatically it will generate a text overshare. So now I would like to introduce a new website AI, that is Gamma. So just type this gamma.ai. So it will be there in gamma.app. So I have given the description link. Just click the link. That link will direct you to this website. So just click the presentation things. So it will ask you for a new medium for presenting ideas. So sign up for free, it will ask you. So just click here for sign up for free. If you have a Gmail account, you can log in with peaceful mind. So simple and easiest tip from text to presentation I would like to make you. So just click here for continue with the Google. So the pop-up will be open here. So your account will be there, as you know. So you can sign in with your personal account of your Gmail, as you see here. So I just have my Gmail account, so I just log in with my Gmail account. I just click here for continue for the Gamma app. So this is a free app which is used to create and generate within a second of text to presentation model. So if I have running out of time, so I just want to prepare a text, that is a lot of things will be happen over here. So how do you plan for the Gamma? For example, if you have a work or personal use or education, you can choose whatever you want. So you are an educator or students, I just choose educator and continue. So whatever you want you can do. For example, elementary, and you can choose whatever you want. So I just use a university. So if you have a presentation from the scratch, you can give whatever ticks you want, you can give. So simple basic information. So just click here for done option. So now it will ask you for create with AI, for paste in a text, generate, or import your URL. So different types of option AI will be there in from Gamma app. So I just want to show you paste in text to generate the presentation. Just click here. So automatically it will move into a text to presentation option. So paste in, add the notes, outline, and convert into a presentation. So I just want to copy this slides from introduction to whatever slides I have in my ChatGPT. I just want to copy, Control C, or just right click on that copy. So I just want to paste here. So just click here to paste. So once I paste, automatically the content will be pasted over here. So now there will be a presentation, web page, document, or social. So I just want to create a presentation. So just select the presentation, and it won't have a default or a traditional or whatever you want. So I just want to choose a default and just click here to continue. So once I click here to continue, the configuration prompt will be open here. So to generate a presentation, that is from text to presentation model, so within a second. So I don't worry about all the things. I just have a text, I just want to copy the text and convert into that. So yes, so free form and card by card will be there. So it will convert into card by card, otherwise you can use a free form also. So it is a 8 card options, and card by card means 5 cards only. So it will convert into a different ideas, and the same text will be there. So it will make like a presentation model. So I just click here to continue with the card by card option, otherwise you can use whatever you want. So just choose, and you can pick the theme also. For example, I just want to pick the theme. So be happy titles, and whatever themes you want, you can choose according to your need, and just click here for generate. Once you click here for generate, automatically the AI will generate your text into a presentation. This is a beautiful option which I just want to go to any types of presentation model. So if I want to give some presentation over here, so I used to have a Gamma AI, so which is free and user friendly, as well as it is fast and easy way to make a presentation from the text to presentation. Use this option, you can believe, yes, you can do that. Everything will be there like that, it will be there. So yes, as you see, the AI generating option is going on. It's understanding your entire thing. So whatever topic I have given, human psychology is my topic. So whatever text is there from the chat GPT, I have copied from there. Automatically it will generate the presentation with the image and all type of text over here. So with the theme also it will be ready. So simple and easiest way to have your things. Yes, as you see here. So it will take few seconds only to prepare your text to presentation. This is a beautiful option. You know what? It is a easy time saver to present your entire presentation through the clients within a minute. Yes, as you see here. So my presentation is ready. Yes, your gamma is finished. So now I just want to present into things. So just click here for show me the options of simple way. You can edit also. If you want to text edit also, you can do the needfuls whatever you want. Yes, as you see here, just minimize this option. I just want to present this one into my clients or my students or anyone. So just present, automatically it will present. As you see here, simple way from text to presentation it will run, as you see here. So you can able to identify what are the text format, what are the benefit you have. So everything you can have with the seconds. So simple and easiest topic, whatever topic you give, it will generate the image, it will give beautiful options over here. So use this beautiful site and prepare your presentation and present to your students or your client or your colleagues. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.